Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone and welcome to my presentation. My name is Bunga Lailatul Faizah and our topic today is about Jiangxi or vampire from China. As we know, each country has its own mystical story, right? For example, in Indonesia, of course we all know the story of legendary ghosts which have been told from generation to generation. Stories of kuntilanak, genderuwo, pocong, wewe gombel, tuyul, kuyang, and many more. These mystical scary stories always succeed in attracting people's attention. Everyone is always feel excited when there are stories about this matter. Well, as mentioned before, each country has its own mystical story, right? Including China. Ghosts from China also actually have quite high popularity. This ghost has also jumped all over the world. You know what does this mean? Vampire ghosts are usually more famous than European countries, even though China also has its own version of vampires. You have probably seen Chinese vampires on screen, right? This vampire is called Jiangxi. His skin is pale white, he always jumps, and his arms are always stretched straight forward. It's familiar, right? This Jiangxi is came back to life, hunted and infected humans thousands of years ago. What they hunt is not human blood, but what they want is ki or energy from a living human. The story of Jiangxi dates back 2,000 years. At the time, China was not united, and China's first emperor, Qin Shi Huang, was also busy conquering the countries around his empire. From this conquest is the beginning of Jiangxi. At the time of the conquest by Qin Shi Huang, the soldiers from the countries surrounding the kingdom fought Qin Shi Huang. Then they were defeated and many soldiers died. Then the soldiers' family members felt sad. They went to Tao to help them so that the bodies of the soldiers could return home. FYI, Tao is a pastor. Tao helped by writing spells as well as names and dates of birth on the corpses' faces so that Jiangxi could return to the family. However, because they had already died, the muscles of the soldiers were too stiff. But if the spell paper is ripped off, Jiangxi can become very dangerous because they can kill others to take the key of the human to stay alive, while humans who do not have key or energy will die. If you met Jiangxi, what would you do? That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.